भाई साहब। हेलो 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 हेलो। हम लोग स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं कॉपी वीडियो यूआरएल। लेट अस सी हम क्या बना सकते हैं। इसको टॉप पे कैसे रखना है? ऑलवेज ऑन टॉप, ऑलवेज ऑन टॉप, राइट क्लिक, फर्स्ट टैब। कैसे करना है, कैसे करना है? इसको ऐसे कर दें, साइड में कर दें, इसको साइड में कर दें इधर। इसको करना अपना जेमिनी। Let us do some code here। बहुत फास्ट लिख दिया कोड इसमें। Okay, simple dashboard application code। this was the code। रिएक्ट में बन रहा है, नहीं मुझे रिएक्ट में नहीं चाहिए। where I want this in HTML CSS and JS only। let's make an application that would take the CSV file and then make the full dashboard। स्पेलिंग को क्या हो गया? डैशबोर्ड इन HTML CSS and JS। I don't want to use for this a chart JS। let us see how does it write। देखते हैं क्या बनाता है इस बार। डैश यूज़ कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं बना पाता है कि नहीं। तो काफ़ी फास्ट आया है। उसने कस्टमर ग्रोथ बार चार्ट। ओके, इट मेड समथिंग। Dynamic CSV dashboard, upload your CSV to visualize data instantly, select a CSV। So we can click here, we can get the CSV inside। उसके बाद में क्या करेगा? example CSV save this as data.csv, sample CSV फाइल। और इससे हम कर सकते हैं। कोई देख भी रहा है कि नहीं, कोई देख भी रहा है कि नहीं, कोई नहीं देख रहा। ओके ओके, ऐसा करते हैं। राइट क्लिक करो, कॉपी वीडियो यूआरएल, लेट्स पेस्ट इट ऑन लिंक्डइन। लिंक्डइन पे जाके ओके start a post। I am doing live stream on YT for the yeah data analysis and also web generated web AI। let's join and build something in this space। इसका लिंक यहाँ बढ़ा देंगे। ओके, लोडिंग प्रीव्यू लोड तो किया। First, let's see what people say। कोई ज्वाइन करेगा, कोई ज्वाइन करेगा, कोई ज्वाइन करेगा। डिले आ रहा है ना। concurrent viewers, there are no viewers right now। let's see, code is already done। Gemini में कोड होगा। ओके 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 ओके। can help you create a simple browser based dashboard application quickly। let's build this using React and Tailwind CSS। It started in React, but now we are trying in normal HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay. This HTML file contains all the necessary CSS via Tailwind CDN and JS, including Chart.js CDN, to create a functional dashboard. Okay. Save the code, save the entire code block above as an HTML file. Okay, so it says we need this as an HTML file. Great. See the code. Okay, let's open this VS Code. Visual Studio Code. Let's test it here. इसको ओपन करते हैं, ये कल वाला है, एक नया फाइल बनाते हैं, इसको बंद करो। तो ओके, ये वही फाइल है, index1.html. okay, let's see here, paste the code here. हाँ, यूट्यूब का कर ला, यहाँ से कोड लाओ, इसको इधर पेस्ट करो, सेव करो, रन करो, तो ये बना। इसका कोड 420 लाइन का है। ओके okay, we don't have anyone viewing us. Great stuff. Dynamic CSV. Let's load some CSV for this. Load that CSV. Okay, just browse files. Okay. More price index September 2023 sample data. CSV file processed successfully. Okay. Where's my dashboard? Okay. Browse file is working. Basically, we are loading the CSV and it uploads something. It made 4 cards. Cards are not so useful here. This card, this particular value is going outside. Okay, let's build something. कोई भी नहीं है यार. Wow. Let us see what we can do. Chat rate down, views down. Okay. Stream bitrate recommended bitrate पे करूँगा. And Windows on no specific Firebase auth needed for this client app, but keeping the structure for consistency if future features require it. For now, it's a static client-side dashboard. Okay, how can we build the dashboard without any support from any library? Then the code size will increase. Code का size बड़ा हो जाएगा then. Let us do something else. This code we can actually build using initially क्या library upload कर रहा है? Chart.js है, Tailwind तो ठीक है, Dynamic CSV dashboard ये सब ठीक है, but what is it using for parsing the CSV? CSV पढ़ने के लिए क्या यूज़ कर रहा है? एक बार क्या करते हैं, अपने इसमें डालते हैं. Let's open WhatsApp और इसकी है, ऐसे करेंगे. Okay. Okay, let's switch this to window capture. Select window to capture. ये वाली window capture करेंगे. इसको बंद कर दो, इसको खोल दो. Only this window will be visible, and we can actually do this thing. हाँ अब ठीक है. Okay, if I open Edge, this won't be visible. हाँ ऐसे करते हैं. चलो. Now what we'll do? What's either we can do one thing. We'll get this from here. Create a tab. Create a tab. Okay. Nice streaming को भी निकाल दो. It's only using the Gemini part. Only Gemini window is visible. Plus, okay. Now, okay. We got LinkedIn. First impressions, okay. This is okay. Okay, let's build something. Let's try to build an application that would help us in cleaning. Okay, let's create a data cleaner. Let's create a data cleaner. How to create a data cleaner? For that, we need to write a command. Okay, let's start a new chat. Okay, hello. I want to create an application using only HTML, CSS, and JS, wherein I can make I can clean the CSV file and also ensure downloading the same after the cleaning CSV. Okay. Keep it an interactive application with board UI UX and also usability, and let it make this app. Now it is thinking. Let it think. Let it think. Okay. It is thinking. Okay. Let it think. Started writing the code. Perfect. It might have written some code by now. It created a file. फाइल बन गई. HTML CSS JS. Okay. Clean कैसे करेगा? It is a CSV cleaner. Load file here. Remove empty rows. Print spaces in cells. That means more than one space that will be cleaned. Remove duplicate rows. Rows will be cleaned. Clean CSV, download cleaned CSV. Okay, this will clean the CSV, download the clean CSV. Your CSV data will appear here after upload. The UI looks okayish. Let's add more functionality, or should we test? No, let's add more functionality. add more cleaning techniques like you can implement the cleaning of phone numbers. For example, in India, yeah, we use +91, and also you can also implement, you can add this functionality, of empty rows are gone, duplicate rows are gone, 10 spaces in text, functionality of what do you say, if something is missing, of missing values, substitution with average, median, and average median mode for making it easier. And also, like, let's build this first, let's not put so much load on it. Okay, started building, and let's see the code, how fast it is writing. Gemini 2.5 Flash is very fast. Current order of operations. Oh, we see the code here. Code is ready. Let's see the preview. Okay, it added the clean phone numbers. India ka +91. Missing value substitution is also added. So let's do this thing. Let's copy this particular code. Control C. Let's go to our VS Code. Index code.html. Paste it here. See the live preview. Okay, this seems to be working correctly. Let's upload the CSV in the same clean Glover Superstore. Let's upload this. Will it help if we remove empty rows? No, it should actually first load the CSV. Okay, now it has loaded the CSV. Okay, the columns came here. Now we can see the preview of the CSV. We are seeing the preview right now, but I don't want a complete preview. So what should I do? Okay, one thing we need to write in Gemini this thing. Okay, you can't see the VS Code now. Okay, I need to do display capture in this case. Okay, I think now you should be able to see the VS Code. In VS Code, we have transferred this application, like not just copy paste the file from, since it is HTML, JS, and CSS only. We copied it from there and we have pasted it here and do a simple live preview of the thing. Then I chose a file, upload the file, CSV file. Then our core cleaning options. What are the cleaning options? and whatever you want to select. Like if you want to remove empty rows, just check off this thing. Trim spaces in cells, check off this thing. Okay, let's reinitiate the process again. Use the file, load any set that you have in CSV. That is loaded, started loading, and when it is loaded, it will give you the values here. Okay, select columns to keep. Okay, let's debug this. I don't want the complete preview of the file. Instead, what I'll do, I just need the top 5 rows. Let's go back to Gemini. Okay, I don't want to see the full preview, just the head or the first 5 rows only, because if the preview will take time to load. The preview will take time to load. It is changing the full code. Okay, let it change the code. Till then we see the VS code. So till now, let's load it again. We choose the file, go to this particular, let's load a simple file. Simple file would be okay, let's load this file. Okay, I loaded this file. This got loaded quick. This is just question and answer kind of a format here. It has an ID column pattern and then the response. That won't be a good file, but since it is a smaller file, it gets loaded very fast. Okay, so what is next? There are no phone numbers, so we need not check this thing. Let's clean the CSV. Okay, the CSV got cleaned, I suppose, and there is no status of the thing that is happening. So one more thing we need to add here. I need to get the status of whatever process that is running in the background as a pop-up on the website and not as a JS alert. Let it read at this thing. Okay, it started loading. What we are actually trying to build is this particular application. This particular application actually it does the same thing. I shared it over LinkedIn also. So you can browse the file, you can load the file here, then it will automatically give you the column headers. There you can select the general clinic, or if there are any requirements in the particular column, you select this particular option, either remove the rows of missing values, fill with the mean or fill with the median, and then check this off. If we remove the row, the issue is that there need to use your intellect, some part of your brain also here, because 41,296 out of the total rows that we have, that would be a significant amount. So I will choose do nothing, plus it is a postal code. It is a postal code, so I need not do much changes to the postal code. Let's clean and process. After this, you can clean and process. This processes the whole data. You will see this visualized dashboard. There are 51,290 rows. Total columns are 24. Actions that you can do on the data, you can either download the CSV, the HTML, and also you can share it. But the problem is we cannot share it directly. We'll only be able to share the website link here. You can change the theme. It goes to teal, crimson, whichever format you need. Night mode, so this changes the complete website into night mode. Then you can easily view the, I don't know if this looks good, but it is helpful at night. Okay, so this will also give you deep column analysis, row ID, mean, and row ID, mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and sum of the column. These values depend on the type of the column that you are using. Okay, so we get the column statistics for every like every column. When we go to the dark mode, this actually gets dark text, so I need to change this to white text. We'll do it later. After that, what we just need to do, we can do go to the machine learning lab, then we can do the analysis part. Let's go back to Visualize dashboard, change this to a brighter theme. After changing, it takes time. No, okay, dark mode. Okay, it came back. Takes some time. So this is the correlation matrix, and we are actually building this application from scratch again. I hope it helps to see my workflow, how I built that particular website. And let's see the Gemini code now, what it has written. Okay, it has updated the CSV cleaner application. Custom pop-up HTML will come. Okay, JavaScript pop-up functions are disabled. Integration is also done. Okay, let's copy this code. Go to our Visual Studio Code. Let's change this one. Create one more index. In this case, 3.html. Third version of the code. Paste that thing here. Save it. Open the preview. The preview is now open. And then now when we'll choose the file, we should get a kind of a status message here. Let's load a bigger file. Yes, it gives me a kind of a smaller window to check that yes, CSV file loaded successfully. So we need to see whatever is happening in the application, and the user must be informed of what is happening in the application. Okay, so let's go to clean CSV now. It has only now see we changed the prompt there, and it is only showing the first 5 rows to me now. The full data will be downloaded, but only the first 5 rows will be visible to us. What next should we do? Okay, let's try cleaning it directly. Suppose no one is uh, seeing this part. And missing value substitution also, you can do select a numeric column, and missing value should also always be done for a numeric column. So this has been picked up rightly. Okay, you can download the clean CSV. Okay, so this downloads the clean CSV as well. This part is done for now with just how many? I think 3 iterations. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this is the original file. 1, 2, 3. With 3 iterations, we have done this application. This is basically a simple cleaner that uses your browser to clean everything. Data is not sent into the backend, and we have built this particular small application. Just with just 3 iterations, we have done this thing. Okay, this was the first version. Okay, this is the same thing because it is canvas, so it won't be coming here. Within 3 or 4 prompts, we have built this particular web app. Okay, I will connect later